already. You should message her and just say you just lifted a wheel.
No, it might scare her. Let's just let her concentrate a bit. Oh, it's muddy. Ah! I think you've got a problem because
No, I haven't.
your wheels are wide enough, maybe.
Did you not feel us bottom out
Yes,
there?
I did.
Full bottom.
Oh. Alright?
Yeah.
Can you take your jumper off yet? This next bit looks really scary.
Shush.
Because it's so muddy. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
A bit of scraping's fine.
We did it.
We did it and then almost went off the road there. Sorry, trees.
It's a tree. That is an actual tree. I'll wait for them to go. Make sure you've got.
Right, okay.
I'm just saying. Okay. Go maybe there.
Come on.
Yeah! Go! Keep going, little truck. Stop.
You did not want to go then at all though. That was really weird. You just died on halfway up. Not pleasant.
You did really well though, Monk. You did really well.
Yeah, grab handle.
I'm trying to find which handle actually. I'm going to snap my arm if I roll over and over doing that. My arm's going to break it off. Are you okay?
Yeah, just came up here. A bit naughty. That just pinged out of
I
here.
know. Has it gone back in there?
Yeah, but alright.
Has it gone back
That was a bit off. That was like shit.
Has something just broken or... How many are behind us? Oh, is that it? Is there only 3 behind us?
Yeah, so we're alright.
Oh, that's okay. So we can get past these sticks. It's more the trees, isn't it? Which are bad. Does it automatically do its difflocked?
No, I put it on, but I took it off.
Hey, monkey. You alright?
Yeah.
Can't breathe.
say that famous last words as we get hung up on. We've just got to pick the line. Quite careful.
Okay. Because this is a fucking tree stump, that's why. I'm going over a tree.
That is the tree.
Yeah, I'd go to the left, because you've got to get over that bit as well. Mind that stump.
I'd be much more worried if I was lit, because you'd just be thinking I'm going to damage my very expensive car, whereas I don't want to damage my car, because to be honest, there's not a lot to damage.
No, yeah, it's easily fixed, isn't it? Hopefully.
Ooh. Almost had it then.
Yeah, but you kind of got to get back on the tracks here, which is difficult, isn't it? That's a tree stump.
But sometimes, like you say, sometimes...
That's been okay for us.
Sometimes being...
When you read my key. This is... You need to come down.
Yeah, I know, I'm trying to get my back. Don't go in there, because I'll never get out.
This bit's steep.
Yeah.
Little one. Why is there a truck there? Or is that him making sure we all get through?
Yeah, maybe we're coming back that way. Oh, is it photograph time?
Oh, you all get your picture taken and you have to pay £50 to buy it. Whoa, that's really wet. Are we going to be alright? Are we going to get water through it?
No.
Oh my god, I don't even want to look.
Oh, that's
Oh my god. This is terrifying. Careful, Anna.
Oh, logs.
In hell. Mind that oh my god, there's a dog! That would be freaking me out. The dog would be freaking me out. What's she doing? Wait there, Anne. I think they're making sure you can get through. Yeah, it's scary.
Terrifying.
It's terrifying.
Thank you.
That's what I mean, Anne. They think it's f***ing eggs. They honestly think it's f***ing eggs. Stop.
Yeah, I can get through there before. That was ace.
That's the thing, though.
That
They
was
do think.
ace.
And to be fair, they're going to be impressed with Linda as well.
Yeah.
2 women, like, come on. We could do it. And this is where we get stuck now. But at least I've been impressed already. Don't matter now, Anne.
Oh, this is good, isn't it? Oh. No, I was stressed.
I was worried about the water, I'm not going to lie.
It's because you can't see what's underneath, so you're not...
Look at my hands, how clammy I am. My hands have gone red. I don't like this because I'm kind of...
I know. I'm catching there. Watch this again. That's why they come over here then.
To check UK getting through and to do pictures. They're impressed with you though, monkey?
Yeah, it's not about...
No, I know, but it is cool though. Because they laugh when you pulled up, but it's like, yeah.
Yeah, well, it could all go wrong yet, so...
Well, yeah, it doesn't matter now. I'd pretend to go through there, it looks easier.
That's actually quite... Very...
Muddy?
No, steep.
I don't think that was that bad.
You know, it's the off-camberness of it, it's weird. And then you get to go through it again, though.
I don't want to go through it again. I really don't want to go through it again.
What are you Go through it again.
What the why?
Because then you go left at the end.
I don't want to go through it again. Actually, this is the scariest bit. This water is the scariest bit.
It's gravelly bottom though. Oh my god. If the water doesn't come in, it's a miracle.
Well, that's what I'm worried about.
Oh, we're stopping now. It's not up to the door yet, is it?
You're smoking a bit.
Yeah, steaming. Yeah,
Hang on, what's he doing?
I think he's just flashing things first.
He's telling you to go. Yeah, I think we did loop round to them now. That dog scares me. It's one of these spots. Taking his own private picture of it.
It's not up to the doors yet.
Not yet!
If you need to sort of go, you'd have Facebook details.
Yeah, cool.
Because there'll be videos and pictures that on the Facebook.
That's cool.
Wicked, definitely.
So before you go, I'll just have a quick chat.
Yeah.
I'll give you the details.
Okay, cool.
Wicked.
I'm not gonna lie, it's not that pleasant being in here. You're like, there's a couple of handles which is handy.
Sorry? No, I thought it might on the way back. We stopped in it and I was like, no, keep going, keep going.
Ugh.
So we do like a loop?
Yeah. I still like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
We're steaming quite a bit, is that okay? Oh, are we all going
Yeah,
up
yeah, we're
there?
going that way now.
I'd wait here a minute.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking you've got to get a bit of a run, haven't you? Oh, that was bad. Oh well, if you f it up after this, you've done what you wanted to do in it now.
One careful owner.
One owner that wasn't careful at all. Dry miles.
Yeah. Yeah, never raced nor rallied. So like extra. It's one of those gears where when it's on the road it just feels stupid. Like you just think, when would I use this such a low gear? And then you get it on here.
This might hurt you a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Because one of the other cars like clunked on it proper.
Yeah. Not a lot I can do about that, I don't think.
You gotta go, monkey.
Yeah.
You gotta go.
Oh my god. No.
We're out.
You got any spare pants?
You've got to make a laugh about it, haven't you? Probably saw me at my face.
Yeah, it was my face as well. Okay, it's a bit of a twister.
I'm laughing, but I'm actually going to cry, if I'm honest. I feel really nervous.
Over there.
I think you do need a breather halfway through,
Yeah.
just to kind of... I need a wee. I think we should just...
You didn't before when you started. You know. What a little legend.
And
mate.
he was also thinking, nah, Cannock Chase feel right, isn't it?
I think Lynn might feel like, shit, what did I get myself in for? So if he's doing
She's
it...
doing 8
Yeah, I know,
there,
but it's
to
like,
be
she's
fair.
probably thinking, oh, if he's doing it in the carry, then...
I must be able to do it.
Yeah, no worries. What do you do again?
Oh, I really don't want to keep going through the water, honestly. I really
That's
don't.
what Linda
I've
and
had
Wade are
enough of
probably
it.
thinking about.
This is the bit you have the most fun in, I guess, though, isn't it?
This is a bit that they've not made, but it's.
Nice.
They've not made it, but they've
Yeah.
designed it so you can do this. Yeah. Whoa, that was a good wheel lift, Lynn. That was amazing.
What is that? Why are we squealing?
The fan belt when it got wet. Yeah, I'll have to put it on this.
Oh, your bike is going.
It's either you got to do wipers or horn. You've either got to beat your horn or do your wipe. It's one or the other.
I've lost my phone. I don't know where it is. Oh, you've got some skills driving it, Monkey, I'm not gonna lie.
Not me. It's not me.
If it's into reversing.
It's not a better line. You've got to go quite wide, haven't you? Go on, end. Go on! That's it, you're over.
She's not yet.
No.
That's it. She's got. Oh my god. Shaking so much. I don't know how you're doing it, honestly. I couldn't do it. Oh! I couldn't do this. I was so stressed. We're still smoking quite a lot.
Okay.
I'm just a
not
bit
smoke,
worried.
It's steam.
Okay, okay.
Just. You've said it. I can see it also, so don't worry about it. It's just the water. Oh my god, it stinks. Isn't it? Water stinks. That's a pumpkin hole there.
I'd maybe wait here till Lynn goes.
Yeah.
It does stink.
It's the water, isn't it? This all starting to dry now. Yeah.
Get our Neil to get the spray from up the wheels for you, and he'll freeze it. These are the pictures got some
Yeah.
spray from out.
Okay.
You have to give it the beans a bit, but if you feel brave, slow the bump though.
Yeah, I was going to say, break before the end, yeah.
Put your window up.
This is the deep one. And they're up here.
It doesn't actually look that deep. If you look in your back wheel mirror, you can see your back wheel. It's not that deep. Oh.
Sorry, Carrie. Sorry. It sounds
You
bad.
need to give this car a little bit of TLC over the next couple of days.
This is any spare money I've got is now going to be like, oh
Yeah.
yeah, you need
A whole
new
new-
front bumper and
I've got to stop it soon, surely. We're going an hour nearly. Tops 10.
look, make it stop. Make it stop.
I'm ready to get out just for
Yeah, I appreciate that.
I bet you are.
Come on, Harry, come on. Yes.
The guy in the blue jumper loves it. I thought he was going to say, I'll get some details from you, I want to buy it. I'm like, okay! You can have it now, it's broken.
Yeah. The thing is, it's one of those things where you probably shouldn't do it on your first go because it's not a novice car, is it?
No.
But that's what also makes it really fun. So, yeah. Hold on to that.
think.
Yeah. That's a gravel. Well done.
I'm sorry, it's gone by your foot. Wait there a sec.
Yeah.
Stop.
Stopping? I can't really put my clutch down in case I break the...
I don't care about the phone, I just want to make sure. Obviously telling you what to do for the next bit.
Down towards mine.
Telling him to
Absolutely,
go right
yeah.
over.
Yeah.
It's only that initial, and then it's okay.
Good.
That felt like he was just about to go head over heels, I think.
Stay in the same tracks.
Yeah.
Stay on the track.
Okay.
That doesn't feel as bad as the
That's
last
alright.
one. That's okay. That first one felt worse. He doesn't have to tell you what to do, does he? He knows. I thought he'd got beer then.
Need to rearrange the gravel.
Yep.
Blue.
That's good. You did that really well, Anne. With it being a bit lower at the bottom.
Yeah.
Really well. So I assume they went, the tracks look like they've gone right to me. She's braved in it in a brand new car. I know money's all relative, but
Yeah.
that's your gravel.
That's me ballast again. Yeah. I'm very
Looking
much,
out for logs.
very much concentrating on that one now. To be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if that one that got stuck was either on the way out or when we were going to the water.
Yeah.
Because it's
You should have just cut through there.
Yeah.
But it's going to take a little shortcut.
just scared. That little stump.
Are they stuck?
No.
There's a stump on your left.
I know, yes.
They are painted, which just seems to help.
Yeah.
They're cutting through. Maybe. I don't know. your mum and dad are at Shrubbery.
Oh right, they've done that. Don't be looking in your phone while
No, don't.
you just look like so
I was just texting your mum.
born in
That's all.
It's quite technical.
Yeah,
You
you've
see where
got to
everyone's
plan
stuff
where
is.
you're going, haven't
Yeah.
you? It's harder for you now because you've got to think. Plan it a bit more, isn't it?
I was fine until I thought that was a tree stump. And I was like, no.
If it is,
But it's not, it's just
then I don't know what I'll do. Get out and dig it out for you with my hands.
I imagine this is scraped.
It's quite lumpy, isn't it? I think you did the best thing. Oh, no, monkey, no. Can't actually see the road. Oh, that's scary.
That is weird. I'm not so
It's not as bad as it looks actually, it's just this bit. You think?
Yep.
That was alright.
Alright.
This bit, which isn't brilliant.
It's alright.
Another one done.
That was sketchy.
That was scary.
Sketchy. Did you feel it
No.
tweak a bit?
No. Well,
On the
yeah,
first
kind
one,
of, yeah.
the back end just started, the limbs waiting for us.
But I think that feels okay because, oh yeah, they've overtaken.
There we go, did it right this time.
Careful because it's still. That's the problem when you're first. Then it is a bit more churned up because we've
That's the
all.
high look going up there.
Ooh, ooh, ooh! Are you proper?
Yeah.
You see the track?
Yeah.
We might struggle, won't we?
Come on, Carrie.
This is the test.
This is your last. This is your time to just.
keep an eye on.
This is the ultimate test.
Because the last, unless you think otherwise, the right hand line it looks softer. I'm more worried about the bounce than
the right
because
hand
there's
line is fine.
Yeah.
But don't towards where that's nearly the top.
Yeah.
There's a bank.
Yeah.
Right. But you need to stay to the right all the time.
Yeah.
Don't go
Is that dark red bit? Is just the.
Yeah. That's where and you don't want to drift to the left there, which is what the last Land Rover did.
Yeah.
Right. Because that's a bit more steep.
Yeah.
But if you don't get up, just stop on the bank. Don't do anything, and we'll put it up if necessary.
Okay.
Okay. And you need to probably put it in. Don't gear it right.
I've got extra low and I've got first. Extra low is very slow.
No, put it in first.
Yeah.
Give it as much.
Yeah.
Your 650.
Give it everything.
Not as much as your 650 cc can give it.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. What I don't want you to do is go sideways.
No, I don't want to.
Because then you're in a
Good.
good position.
Yeah.
But if you feel like don't release the welly at all.
Yeah.
Put it all out right from the bottom so you've got some speed.
Yeah.
Nothing here. Got some speed, but you stay to the right.
Yeah. Okay.
Right?
I've got
in the back.
you can hang on. I've got difflocked, so rear difflock on.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Just make sure steering out. You don't have to steer. That's top. Right.
Not that I've got an audience or anything.
We're gonna do it. Well done! That was ace!
Very good, excellent. Fantastic.
Oh, I'm alive now.
And all that from a Land Rover club.
Hey.
Started the shout with air to down. Flying.
That was good.
Can you come back down now?
Not quite yet.
Have you got a Fitbit? Has it got your heartbeat? Yeah,
We
no,
haven't.
unfortunately not. It probably got the charts.
That was ace.
I think I need to keep my side higher because that's
I would say so.
the side that's a bit.
That's the bit you're keeping out of getting ripped off. Mind you, the mirror. Oh, that was close.
I'll stay on the thing. I was going to say, why'd you win it? It's actually halfway up anyway. It's only just small enough on these ruts. If I look at the back, my back wheels on that far from falling in. Come on, Carrie, just make it back in one piece.
These cars so big. Wheels. Yeah. It's nice to see an Evoque. Not in a city.
Yeah, doing what
it should do.
Supposedly, that's it. Designed to do.
Designed to do it, though.
That's to an extent.
We do seem to be driving around in the muddy bits again quite a lot. Just, yeah. Just careful you don't slide in, that's the problem.
I just want to stay very hard. Very hard.
You can do it, truffle. This is the scariest bit for me. It's horrible. Like you say, I think this is just gravel in here.
Yeah, it's a gravel hopping.
It's this which is going to be...
Bow wave. This is a bow wave from Linda.
This isn't as much fun the next time round. Mind the tree. Mind that more. So this is easy now.
Log.
Mind the log.
Find the log.
Yeah, that way. Easier second time round.
Don't say that. Because now it will fall apart.
I bet Lynn's going to be seriously. She's going to be awful. No?
Yeah.
You've got to come down though, that's the
Nice, gentle, sloppy descent.
Look at it like...
It is gross. It's so gross.
Look at your tie marks through the middle.
Oh yeah, like this big hunch at a time. Everyone else is on like massive tires. I'm telling you, I wouldn't have done half of this without the difflock. That's just a fact. It's amazing. Because it's so light. I'm not saying like every car needs a difflock. Like,
Oh, that was proper wheel off then.
I see the traction control working as
I
well.
might message your mum to say it was 20 to 1. But we're still on the course, the car got stuck and had to be towed out, so it slowed us down. It might be a little late.
Yeah.
So if it wasn't for that, we were there for quite a while at that spot, weren't we?
Oh, we're going this way now.
Good, because that bit was bad.
That was bad. Feels like, this feels like you're going to tip the whole time, doesn't it?
I'm kind of get used to it a
So
little
we're
bit
going
more now.
back through that way.
Oh!
Whoa, that was awesome!
That wasn't that scary, because what the hell is this going to do? That was scary. I would have been scared if I was...
That was pretty awesome. Right. Yeah, I've seen that floating.
That was scary of Lynn's end.
Yeah.
Would we get that on camera? I don't know if it would. It'd be on the
Yeah,
wrong
we will,
angle,
yeah.
would it?
Yeah.
Here we go again.
Suzuki Carry. This is where I did it on the way out, so this is where I got the feedback from. I think that's it, that scratch.
That bit there.
No, that noise was.
Oh, you catching it?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to, yeah. It doesn't look too bad, and it looks like it's just mud, so it might not be as scrapey as it could be. got skills, monkey. Mind that hole.
Yeah, I know.
Or I don't know if you'd seen it.
No, it's fine. I'm just trying to position.
I was watching Lind and then I saw it and I was like, ooh. Right, we need to be careful through this bit. We might get another stump there. I don't think we've got any branches. That's good.
That's alright.
Yeah.
It'll just be like a chicken trap, maybe. Four-wheel drive out. 14.6 miles.
Smart, isn't it?
That is pretty